Four Oaks Miniature Golf Course has been vacant since 2020. Maintenance on the course declined during COVID, and it's been out of operation ever since. Randy Dawson, course manager, has big plans for a new course.
So the city has connected with several other groups in town, people that do a lot in the community. They've raised money.
$175,000 total was raised in donations for a new 18-hole course. 6,000 rounds used to be played on the course annually before its shut down. The city of Pittsburgh has plans to not only redo the old course, but completely renovate it to include new features for the community.
We're going to do the renovations this fall, and then the designers will come in, and hopefully that is done. They're planning on reopening Labor Day. That's the goal.
The designer for the new project has already made digital layouts of the new course that will be bigger and also include pavilions for parties. Chris Loy, course maintenance manager, is hopeful of what the new course could bring.
We're actually moving it further to the west, so the whole space is going to be a lot larger. But the new mini golf is going to be exciting. We're going to have some higher elevations, closer to the it's just going to be really nice. We're all excited for it because the city's really needed it for a long time, and it's good that it's going to come back. So we're looking forward to it.